My name is Tom Saf, and I'm the General Manager at Carolina Thomas. We're the Thomas Built Bus dealer for the state of North Carolina. This week, a bus that was stopped to unload and load children was rear-ended by a semi-truck at one of our customers' locations. And the bus held up extremely well and protected the children inside. And so what I wanted to do is take some time and show you the 5 things that go together to form a system of safety that make the Thomas Built Bus better than anything else in the industry. So what I want to talk about is the first part of this system of safety, and that's this rear corner post. On the Thomas, the rear corner post is 2 pieces of steel that are assembled together like this to make a clamshell that's extremely strong. Then it extends from the Thomas bumper up into the roof line, okay? And just to demonstrate how strong it is and why the Thomas bus is better, I'm just going to take a paper towel here so we don't scuff up the paint on a brand new Thomas bus. And then I'm going to use a construction 2x4. Warning, for safety reasons, don't try this at home. So you can just see, this bus is built like a Sherman tank. So I've already showed you how strong the rear corner post is on a Thomas bus, and it extends from the bumper up into the roof line, okay? So if you look here, you can see where the rear corner post goes up into the roof line. There it's tied into this system, which is a header that runs from the entire length of the passenger compartment, one piece from the rear to the front, supporting the rear of the bus to protect the children in the event that the bus was rear-ended from the back. Okay, so you can see how this header ties into every roll bar between the windows from the rear all the way to the front, making a protective cocoon for the children. The third feature in this system of safety on a Thomas Built bus that makes the rear end of the bus so much safer than other buses is actually the rub rails on the sides of the bus. On a Thomas bus, on a C2, the rub rails run the entire length of the passenger compartment, and they meet 60% joint strength because they use safety bond structural adhesive. We're the only bus manufacturer that makes the rub rails meet 60% joint strength. It makes the bus exponentially stronger. It holds the whole side of the bus together, which is supporting the rear end of the bus. Fourth reason the bus in question held up so well is the Thomas rear bumper. And you'll hear lots of different talk about the face of the bumper, but the reason the Thomas bumper is so much stronger is this deep pressed concave shape, which increases its section modulus. This makes the bumper exponentially stronger than flat-faced bumpers. This is shaped just like a roadside guardrail along the highway. The fifth part of this safety system on a Thomas bus is we use a little bit bigger bus so we can build the bus without putting these back seats right up against the rear wall. So children that are loaded in the back of the bus have a built-in buffer zone just to provide more safety.